In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create video in Google Flow. Open your browser, search for Google Flow, and go to the official site. Once it loads, select Create with Flow to enter the workspace. On the dashboard, choose plus New Project to open a fresh canvas. Flow offers 3 primary ways to generate footage. Text to video is the fastest on-ramp. In the prompt box, describe exactly what you want: the subject, the action, lighting, mood, and cinematic style. For example, you might write, a wide-angle shot of a glowing forest at night. Clear, action-oriented verbs and visual adjectives help the model understand intent. Frames to video is great for controlled transitions. Upload a start frame image that defines how the scene begins, and an end frame that shows where it should land. Flow will animate the path between them. Ingredients to video focuses on consistency. Tag up to 3 reference images, characters, props, or textures to keep looks consistent across shots. Before generating, pick a model. Options like VO 3.1 emphasize higher quality and detail, while something like Nano Banana Pro prioritizes speed. Next, set your aspect ratio, landscape or portrait, and choose how many output options you want to see at once. Landscape suits YouTube and web. Portrait fits shorts and stories. Click. Generate and let Flow produce a short clip, typically around 8 seconds. Preview the result, and if you spot a standout frame, right-click the video and choose Save Frame as image to grab a still for thumbnails or continuity notes. You can also generate multiple options and compare pacing, composition, and lighting to pick the best direction. To refine timing, use Extend to lengthen a shot without rebuilding it, or use Jump To move a character or subject into a new setting while preserving their appearance. When you want to adjust the narrative mid-scene, select Insert and add additional prompts to nudge the action, style, or camera cues forward. To clean up distractions, open. Remove. Then click and drag a selection around elements you want gone. Flow will erase and in-paint the area. Finally, tap the camera tool to reveal camera motion and camera position. Choose from the presets to apply smooth moves and framing without manual keyframes. Start with subtle motions like a slow dolly or gentle pan to keep attention on your subject. And that's the core workflow for creating videos in Google Flow. Simple steps with powerful results.